Good day, everyone. So today I will be teaching you another tutorial, and this time we will have tutorial on how to create your own Facebook page. So if you are using your laptop, so kindly go to Google Chrome and then kindly click facebook.com or kindly type facebook.com. Now, once you already log in your Facebook account, kindly go, you will be prompt on the home page of the Facebook. And here, as you can see on the left side, these are some of the important tools related to your Facebook. So kindly go to see more and then kindly look for pages. So look for pages here. So this is pages, click that. And then as you can see on the left side, there's an option to create new page. In order for you to create your own page, just click create new page. Now, kindly fill up some necessary information. Let's say, for example, page name. So, for example, my page name is Happy Feel. And then category, let's say it's for entertainment. And then any description, bio for fun. So, and then after that, you can choose create page first, and then once you create page, it will load, and then you can set up your page. But for now, let me skip this one first so we can continue on the next one. So in adding you may now add your profile picture. So let's say I will be adding some profile picture. So let's say this is my profile picture. And then this is my cover photo. I'll be choosing my cover photo as well. So let's say this is my cover photo. Okay, so this is now the profile picture and cover photo that will appear on my Facebook page. And then click next. And now you may set up this, connect your WhatsApp if you have WhatsApp, and you may skip this as well if you don't have WhatsApp. And then part of the creation of page is inviting your friends. So you can choose up to 10 friends that you want to invite here. So let's say I invite the two, send invites, and then invite sent already, then go to the next one, and then stay informed about your page. This is the last step, so you can turn on some page tools here, and if you are already satisfied to the tools, you may now click done, and that's it. That is already your Facebook page. So you already created your Facebook page, and uh, you may take a tour to visit some important tools in your Facebook page on how to grow your Facebook page or anything. So for me, I will click not now yet. So in order for me to show you the page that we created. So this is now the page that we created. Okay, you may now post as your welcome message here on what's on your mind. And then that's it. You may now invite your friends to like your Facebook and post everything you want on this page. So that's it for our tutorial, and see you on our next video.